Hello traders, with you as always Panda. In today's video we will conduct a technical analysis of two currency pairs, see two fairly similar cases, and pay attention to the details in order to be in the black as always. We will also talk a little about the psychological aspects of our work in order to stay in balance. It is very important. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to always have a full store of knowledge about trading and receive useful information. Also, be sure to watch this video until the end if you want to know how to get $50 to your trading account. Now let's move on to the currency analysis of the Australian dollar and the Japanese yen. Let's focus on the support areas. The price had already bounced earlier and rushed up. Further, having reached the resistance area, it dived sharply down. We can also notice a small trend that is already downward, so I expect that the situation will repeat itself and we are waiting for another price drop. Let me go to Pocket Option where I will open a down trade for 3 minutes and wait for it to finish. Well, since we have the Japanese currency in a pair, I propose to discuss about Japanese candles in a little more detail. Surprisingly, the fact is that Japanese candles are more than 250 years old, but Western traders learned about them only in the 90s of the last century. In those distant times, when Godzilla just was a tiny lizard, Japanese traders were actively trading in rice. The price we see on the chart is just a bunch of numbers. The essence of the candle is very simple. The body of candle is formed by the initial and final price for the selected time period or time frame. The shadow is the maximum and minimum value of the candle for this time frame. I remember very well my first date with a Japanese candle. Then I did not immediately understand what it was. To understand its essence, you need to liberate abstract thinking a little. The Japanese candles is a powerful indicator in itself. There is an opinion that American traders were introduced to candles by Steve Nissen, who was described by a Japanese trader. However, it doesn't matter who first showed the candles to a Western trader. What matters is what to do with them. Now a whole industry of technical analysis is built around candles. Let's also talk about the types of candles. There are a lot of candles on the charts, but all of them can be divided into the following three subtypes. Bullish candles. For these candles, the closing price is always higher than the opening price. Bear candles, and here it's the other way around. The price starts higher and during the life of the candles drop lower. And finally, doji is when the value of the open and close of the candle are the same. Seems difficult, right? But you can always count on my free Telegram channel where I give free signals with which you can figure out how everything works and earn extra money. Follow the link in Telegram and subscribe to the channel with signals. Also, soon there will be a lot of useful information and trading material. Subscribe to not miss anything and become a professional in trading. In addition to free signals, I have a very cool private Telegram channel where I trade daily with the team, talk about how I see the market, and help make money on Pocket Option, the link to which you can find in the description under the video. To join my private chat and start earning with me and my team, be sure to write me a message, "I want to be a VIP." and learn how to work on binary options. I also ask you to like this video so that it advances and I make even more cool and informative content for you. And while I was saying all this, our deal came to an end. And just by correctly analyzing our schedule and understanding the patterns, I earned $170. Excellent. Of course, I will not dwell on this, and I think you are ready to see another deal and get more useful information. Let's move on to the next currency pair, the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. But do not forget to approach everything with a cool head and correctly assess these risks. But let's get back to the analysis. We see a support area from which the price began to go up with lower highs. We also see the resistance area having reached which the chart moved down last time. So I expect this situation to repeat and the price to drop. Well, without wasting a minute, let's go to a pocket option where I will open a down trade for 3 minutes. Now I propose to talk about the psychology of trading. You know, trading will destroy you or make you better. He is generally a powerful teacher, the strongest of all. Moreover, this is the only teacher, no others. Only the market really teached. Only consistent work with the market will give a real result. It is also impossible to become a professional trader without changing. After a year in trading, many are simply unrecognizable. Instead of a nervous and stupid beginner, you see a calm person with a deep look who has learned to overcome his inner demons. Isn't this a miracle? Such is the reality. If you don't change, no magic indicators and non-indicator strategies will help here and will not save you from the iron hand of the market. He will crush you so that only the juice will splash on the walls and crush many. Statistically, it can crush you too. This is unpleasant to hear. Most believe that they are special and this does not apply to them. Oh no, my dear friend. Statistically, this applies to you and only you. In the first place, only the strongest survive. The market will crush the weak. This has been the whole history of Wall Street. So it will be in the future. That is why there are so many losses in the market. So my sincere advice to you is that you must first fully understand the implications of what you are about to do, and only then make a deliberate decision. Do you need it all? And more importantly, think about what you are willing to sacrifice for the sake of success. Control yourself or die. And if this is not done, you will not stay in this market. Therefore, I will not tire of reminding you to like this video, pushing it up, and subscribing to the channel. Be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel with free signals. I give trial signals every day so that people can earn money with me and see my trading style with the team. Also, I have a closed Telegram channel where I trade and earn money every day with the team. How does trading take place? I say the currency pair, the direction where to open a deal, the time for which it needs to be opened, and then I throw off the result. If you want to work with me and earn money, then write me a personal message. I want to be a VIP. Add the link in the description under the video. Also, don't forget to enter the $50 contest. All you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, write a comment under the video and register for Pocket Option. using the link in the description under the video. And exactly 1 week later, I will announce the winner of the contest who will receive $50 on their trading balance, which you can withdraw or trade on them. Be sure to participate because you can be the winner. And so the second deal came to its logical end. Well, I'm back in the black. I managed to receive $178. Excellent. I put in my pocket a total of $348 just by keeping myself in balance and understand what is happening in the market. Pay attention to details, control risks, and keep knowledge always at hand. Pandaworth with you. See you.
Bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade. Gingo, do it only. Plus you must be sure.